problem. So we continue. That's a big one. Napping on Rosh Hashanah. Many have a custom not to sleep on Rosh Hashanah afternoon. This is because the Medrash the Medrash writes that it is a bad omen for a coming year. Some maintain that one need not be particular with this custom. Surely one who is tired and needs strength to daven may go to sleep. Some suggest that one should recite the Tehillim in the afternoon. In any case, a person should not spend the time in idle pursuit on Rosh Hashanah. Okay, so what is the problem? So they say not to the custom, stroke custom, not to sleep on Rosh Hashanah. What is the explanation? So they said, look, your destiny is being on trial, like your fate is being on trial, and you such a big tzaddik, such a big tzaddikis that you do not care, you go to sleep. Okay, of course I know who I am, right? I'm almost like Rabbi Akiva. Of course I'm going to go to sleep. So at least that's what we try to stay up, right, and try to do something like at least show that you care about the verdict. Don't pretend that you're such a big tzaddik. So at least learn some Torah, right? Some people like they're more lenient on the second day. So our rabbi said, okay, if you need to take a nap on the second day, okay, do it on the second, but not on the first day. We usually don't. But as he said, if you're very tired and you needed this rest to pray better, okay, no problem. Okay, so some people, as he said, recite the Tehillim the whole afternoon. But I'm not sure what he's saying the whole afternoon. In a place where I go, like they finish maybe at 2 p.m. or something. I don't know. Like 1:30, but by the time you got home, like you eat this and that. So you have like maybe this afternoon, maybe 2 or 3 hours. That's it, and you have to go back to shul. It's not like it's not like all afternoon. Few hours.